the last assignment of MAEDU, that is MES 104. Last assignment, third is identify a content from the subject of your choice at higher education level and describe the various components that you would consider while preparing instructional strategy for transacting the same content in the classroom. So here we are supposed to select any of the topic of your choice from higher education level. Okay, it could be any of your favorite title, and regarding that you then need to extend few points like what are the components which you need to mention for that topic based on the instructional strategy. For this, first is gaining attention, second is informing the learner of objectives, third is stimulating the recall of the prior learning, fourth is presenting the stimulus material, fifth is providing learning guidance, sixth is eliciting the performance, seventh is providing feedback about performance correctness, and eighth is assessing the performance. So imparting your lecture on your topic is very relevant to take care of the above components of instructional strategy. And of these above mentioned components, the most important ones are learning objectives, learning activities, and assessments. So these three are popularly termed as the magic triangle because of its effectiveness and results and implication, right? So accordingly you go on extending the things as per the, because before moving ahead and expecting the positive results from your student side, it becomes important firstly to bring their attention towards what they are going to study today. It is very wise to connect your students with something they have previously heard or knew about that topic. So of course the topic or that word might have some sort of connection with their memory or their knowledge. It becomes very relevant to depict the learners about the reason and the objectives of the topic as to why you took that topic for them to teach it. And then you can present a model of that particular topic, any sort of chart or any sort of sample showing the part of that thing in a structural or functional way. Okay, so it would act as a kind of stimulus material for them, which would help them to give them proper response. And then to present the learning guidance, you should share with them some tips and tricks to understand and learn all those basic types and parts of that model and how it's functioning, so that you need to, and nextly you need to elicit their performance. Means you should try to extract the information from them only about their understanding of the topic and also their interest towards the topic. And then you can provide your students the feedback on their understanding, and this will help them to make certain modifications in their own way. And then finally you can assess the entire performance, which is actually the most important part.
Alright.